Hey, so the team at Tree Industries is very excited to bring you this next video. We're going to be talking about the latest developments with the 3D Avatar Companion app that we've got developed to go along with the Mycroft AI platform. We have both the Companion app and Mycroft installed on the same 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop device that you see on your screen here. What we're going to do today is just a quick demonstration of some of the latest features, let you see the animation, and then we'll talk a little bit about the release date that's going to be coming up soon. What time is it?
9:12. Few clouds and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Today's forecast is for a high of 82 and a low of 79. What do you call 8 hobbits? A hobbite.
Ezra, thank you.
No problem.
Ezra, what is your favorite pizza? Because she's trying to figure it out.
I'm not sure how to help you with that.
Okay, so it's working pretty well, and it's really nice having both installed on the same device now that we've got the companion app running on Linux. So we've got to finish up a few animations and do a little bit more testing, and hopefully within the next week or two we're going to have this up and available on our website. So definitely stay tuned for our next video. That we'll probably do one more with the final animation and with a little bit better camera, hopefully. I know this one was just a little bit fuzzy. So we hope you like it, and we hope you stay tuned. Thank you very much.